Hey, how you diddling? Hope you're diddling well. It's officially green elderberry caper season, and I know these technically aren't capers, but I'm going to use the same method and technique to preserve them, hence the name. And my girlfriend's been out picking the green elderberries from the trees and then separating them from the stalk. And then all I've done is added a good couple of pinches of sea salt to these and let them sit for about 3 days. And what this will do is it will draw the moisture out of the berries, intensifying the flavour, okay, but also adding great crunch and texture, and it will help in the preserving method. Obviously, I could pack these in jars like this now and just do the salted version, but I'm going to rinse off the salt now and then pack them in jars and just pour over some vinegar to start the pickling process. So that's it, I've got the capers all washed now, and I'm going to keep the pickle liquor quite plain because the taste of these is, you get that elderflower flavour, but it's more kind of savoury than floral like the flower. You could add flowers to this as well and get that going, but I want these to be quite sharp and savoury because I'm going to pair them with seafood, cheeses, cold meats, etc. and just eat them at home. And all I've done is taken some distilled malt vinegar. It could be apple cider vinegar, any flavour of your choice. I'm going neat vinegar, spirit vinegar, and I'm just going to pour that now over the capers until it just reaches the top. You don't want them to be packed too tightly because you want to allow that vinegar to get in and around the berries and start to pickle them down. I'm going to pop a lid on now, and that's it. Elderberry capers. So I'll leave these for a couple of weeks to pickle down and for the flavour to permeate through. But they'll last now up to a year, so you can use them again next year and get your store cupboard loaded up with all these wonderful pickles and preserves. I haven't added any flavour or aromats to the vinegar because I just want the pure taste of the elderberry, and that's it. But you can add whatever flavours you like to it. I just like it pure and simple, and of course delicious.